Hello everyone, welcome to Sav's Glam Beauty, guys. I know you guys are so upset with me. I haven't been posting on this channel for a while now, but this is for a good cause, okay? But let me give you guys all of the tea that have been going on with me, okay? All right, here I am. Guys, listen. I have some exciting news for y'all, so let me breathe. Listen, guys. So, for quite some time now, I have been, drum roll please, I have been selling my candles in Westfield Within Mall, okay? I have a spot in the mall. Are you hearing me? I got a spot in the mall and I am super pumped, guys. Like, listen, God has been so great to me, guys. Like, He have given me everything I ever asked for. I am super grateful that He's a part of what I'm doing, okay? Now, let me take it back a little bit. So, it has been a couple of months since I introduced my candle line. It is called Darlene Candle Co., okay? Darlene Candle Co. is a luxury candle line. It's a home fragrance company. I have different types of candles. I have reed diffusers. I have wax melts. I have linen sprays. And listen, everything has been so great with me when it comes to this candle business. It is not a joke, guys. Right from the jump, okay? So I started selling my candles in Wheaton Mall since December the 10th or the 14th, I believe. So let me fast forward a little bit. I went ahead and I started looking for places to do pop-ups, right? And I went to like a couple of pop-ups that wasn't okay. I went to one that was so good, it had me pumped. And I just didn't know what to do with myself. I was so excited. I was like, I have to keep doing more of this, okay? So I went ahead, I started going around asking people, talking to people that I want to do pop-up. And then I came across Eventbrite. And I kept doing research. I'm seeing a lot of pop-ups, but you know, with Eventbrite is a hit or miss. So you gotta be careful while you're there. There are a lot of scammers over there. So guys, just be careful, okay? It's not easy over there. People lie to people, people take people money. Some of them have not been in business for a long time. Like, they be having some shit show when it comes to those events that I see on Eventbrite. Truth be told, guys, I'm not lying on them. Like, I have had like bunch of shit show, okay, when it comes to Eventbrite. So I'm very careful. But then I kept looking and looking and looking, and I came across one event that I was looking to work with. I reached out, and then the lady told me, listen, I'm not gonna be having this show no more because it's not a lot of vendors that have registered. At least she was so honest, such a sweet lady. She said, I'm not doing it no more. So I was like, okay. So, and then she told me, she said, listen, I got a friend that does this a lot. And I'm sure she might be looking for people as well. I was like, are you killing me? She was like, listen, I can hook you up. She gave me her number. I called her. She was like, listen, I'm having a pop-up at the Wheaton Mall and I want you to come and see if you want to pop up with us. I'm like, sure. So I went over to the mall and then I saw the place, very nice place. Everything was good and everything. So she was like, she charged me. It wasn't a lot of money. To be real, her prices were so reasonable. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna do a day or two. So I went there on a Saturday, I believe. Yeah, I went there on a Friday, and she was like, oh, Saturday and Sunday. So I'm like, yeah, I'll take the 2 days just to see how it's gonna play out. Or two, you can go wrong with. She said, if you do the 2 days, I'm definitely gonna give you a discount. I was like, yeah, and then she did give me a perfect discount I was happy with. But guys, if I tell you, I don't know what it is, it's just by the grace of God, man. Like, sometimes I be like, how am I really doing this? Yes, guys. So I was like, how am I really doing this, guys? When I set up, so the owner of this place is a store, it's a very big store. And she decided to do pop-ups in this store, invite small vendors and stuff. And she was like, she took me somewhere else, right? Miss Sonia, she is so sweet, guys. She has the biggest heart. And she's such a nice person. And listen, the lady that took me to Miss Sonia, her name is Richard. If I tell you how sweet that lady is too, like, she is a sweet, like, the whole thing is a long line of people. Show me this person, and the next person show me that person. She was like, I got a friend, we just Miss Richard, right? And then when I got with Richard, she was so sweet, she was so kind, she would, I would give you all the discount and stuff. And she introduced me to Miss Sonia. So those two people are so dearest to my heart when it comes to my candle business, because for the most part, they really help me, like, push my candle in the mall. Like, they really help me. I'm gonna go in story time for real on how I really, like, started with the whole candle thing, and I really wanted to do pop-ups. It's another person that really initiated, but I want to take my time to talk about her because she's a special person too. So it's like everybody helping me. Everybody is really helping me. Like, they want to see me win. The first time I ever encountered a Rachel, she treated me like her daughter. She's so nice, she's so kind, she would check on me, she would call. Like, I felt welcome. That's how she treated me. And then when she landed me in Sonia's hand, it was just the icing on the cake. Like, Sonia loves me. Sonia treats me like her daughter. Like, she has the bigger heart. When I say sweet, that lady deserves all God's blessings. I'm telling you, no joke. She's so sweet. So, long story short, she treated me so well. And then she was like, when I said, she was like, listen, your brain resonate with my brain, because she does skincare, just like what I do on YouTube, make different body products, like so much like what I do. But I'm not gonna bump hair with this lady. I'm there for candles. Her station is so pretty, and then she was like, come right by me. So I'm like, no, I want to. She said, listen, do you trust me? I'm like, yes, you've been in this for a long time. She said, I'm gonna show you. Just come and settle by me. When I set up my station, she was like, I just love your station. It looks so good. Can we just do this together, guys? When I set up my station, everything went well. The second day, the first day things went good. The second day, it went great. I made a lot of sales, and then she was like, do you want to be a permanent vendor? I'm like, a permanent vendor? Like, I can't afford the amount that I gave you times 30 days. She said, I'm not talking about that. If you were a permanent vendor, I'm going to give you the best price ever. So when she told me, I was like, I don't know. I have to go home and think about it and consult with my partner and all, and see if that's what we want to do. She was like, okay. And then before I left, she made me another offer that I could not say no to. I'm like, this is too good to be true. Are you serious? She said, yes. She said, I like you. Something is telling me to help you. I was like, this is not happening. I was so excited. I went home and I thought about it. And I went back, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna vent here for a month and see if it's gonna be good. She was like, sure. So I did make my deposit, and she have been nothing but a good person to me. My business have been flourishing in there. Everything is going so well. There are so many opportunities. Like, I'll be going to pop-ups like no man's business, okay? So with that being said, guys, like I said, I don't want this video long. I'm just gonna like cut through it quick because this is a super quick video that I'm trying to put out here and all of that. So fast forward, I'm vending there, I'm going to different pop-ups, and everything is going great. And then I start to think about it. I'm like, why am I being so scared, so lazy, don't want to do the right thing? And I know everybody who watch my video and seeing everything I make, they want some. Like, guys, I'm truth be told, I've never said it out loud to myself, even in my secret place. Like, having a website freaks me out. I have never said this before. Like I am like, there's so much that I need to do to get a website. I'm scared. I don't want to do it. I don't know how people will see my brand around the world. It's so much work to do. Shipping, taking orders, responding to emails. But the product that I have is so good that people are just on it. So I'm going to tell you straight up, I took a leap of faith and I'm now doing the website. Drum roll, guys. I am so excited to announce that I am finally doing my website, guys. This is real. I don't want to say a date right now, but it's gonna come very soon. I'm gonna launch very soon. But what I'm doing now is telling y'all about it. I gotta come here on YouTube, create awareness, create buzz around it, and all of that. And one more thing, one more big announcement that I have that I want you guys to know. First of all, I did something that I should not have done on this YouTube channel. I made a video months back, I think like 6 months ago, and I announced that I'm into home fragrances. I make candles, and I explained, right? And I told everybody that I wanted to merge both my beauty channel and my home fragrance business as well, channel as well. But guys, you guys are not having it. Like, cut through the crap. You guys are not having it. Like, I understand. If I subscribe to you, I don't know what made me think it was gonna work. Well, if I subscribe to you because you make beautiful candles, I don't want to see all your other stuff that you make. I'm subscribed to other people too, to eat up that content. I like watching candles videos from you, for example. So why did I even think that putting myself out there with my candle thing was going to work here? Listen, I know, put some elbow grease in this and make this work. So I'm telling you guys now, I have already, before I even go ahead and do anything, I'm announcing, I am going to separate my home fragrance from my beauty channel. So I'm gonna have Darlene Candle Code channel different from Sav's Glam Beauty, guys. I've said it. I've already did the YouTube channel. I have not posted nothing on that channel yet because I want to talk to you guys first. You know, you guys, like, I will always come here and make things clear to you guys and make y'all to understand what I'm going through and what I'm about to do. Hands down, you guys are not having that content, so I am not gonna force people, or I'm not gonna keep posting content that you guys are not consuming, like I said. So I realized that I'm not mad at nobody. I know you guys are doing what you guys want to do, which I understand. So the both channels have been separated. I'm gonna take more time now on Darlene Kinoko and start posting videos. Okay, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link Darlene Kinoko under Sal's Glam Beauty, so you guys can have access to going on there and going to the website as well. Okay guys, so yes, that's what I'm doing right now. I've accepted that I have to do this website, and that's it. I'm gonna come on here and tell you guys the launch date and everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna start working moving forward. But the thing that I will not do, I will not be posting candle content on this channel. If you want to watch any candle videos from me, any home fragrance like videos, you're gonna head on to Darlene Kinoko channel. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link down below and you guys will see everything that I am doing on Darlene Kinoko. Okay. Oh, one more thing that I need to say. I am still looking to putting the beauty product on the same website as Darlene Kinoko. Guys, I'm not separating it. But if you want any beauty product, it's gonna go through darlenekinoko.com. You gotta go through there to get any product from me on that website. I always go into pop-ups. I don't take my camera with me. I don't bring y'all along. But I just want to get my feet wet, guys. You guys will have so much fun with me going to this pop-up, and like I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm gonna be telling you where I'm going, giving y'all names, directions, and everything. And if you are in the area, guys, like by all means, join me over there, because there's not a lot of people who get to see me in person serving these candles, and I know a lot of people like, and I love that too. Trust me, I like talking to my customer, seeing a reaction of how they feel about the candle, the way in which it is. Like, you can sell online, but you're not going to see that reaction for the first time when they encounter your candles and stuff. Like, I want to interact with everybody, okay? That's my goal and that's my plan, and I'm so grateful that I'm really out there like that in the mall interacting. Like, for all of you who are Wheaton Mall, who always come over there and shop from Darlene Kinoko, guys, I appreciate y'all. Only God will bless you guys. Like, I know you guys have been coming through for me. Okay, you guys have really been coming through for me, and I cannot take that for granted, because you guys didn't have to buy my candles and y'all choose me, trusted me with your home and everything. You have no idea how important this is to me. So with that being said, guys, I am so happy that you guys took your time to watch this video, and until next time, peace out, and I love you. Bye bye.